it gonna get hot? Should I just turn on the AC or the...
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I feel cool. I feel like I'm about to sneeze, and if I sneeze in this, I'm sorry.
You're about to sneeze.
I can't! It won't come out!
You cannot sneeze well in 5 minutes. I mean, you can, whatever. It'll be part of the process. It'll be so, like, super cool saying, oh my god, I lost 3 seconds of this!
Okay. We're good. I don't have to sneeze anymore.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to attempt a 5-minute makeup challenge and I present to you Gaby!
Hi!
This is my sister-in-law, the person who I always talk in my videos. She's the one who recommended me the Stila thing eyeliner and all that stuff. She's the one who I share my makeup things with. And today we're going to just have some fun, right?
Yeah.
So if you are interested and want to hang out with us, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to get ready. We're going to put our mini ears. Because we're going to put like...
We both each have these.
Yes. She has the rose golds in this ones too, right?
Yeah. Oh, I don't think I have the sparkly ones of those. I have just the regular fabric ones.
Okay. I have these. But we have a bunch. Like, how many do you have, though? I think I have like 5 or 5? 6? We lost count. But anyways, I know it's going to be a 5-minute. I don't know if you've heard about the 5-minute makeup challenge, but it's just really simple. You're trying to do your full face of makeup, glam if possible.
Glam.
Okay. Wink. in under 5 minutes or under. And I'm gonna have Gaby put her timer on her phone so you guys know we're not cheating. What is your first strategy that you're going to use to
I'm not gonna blend properly.
No. I think I'm going to skip my brushes and use everything with the beauty blender. I think it'll be the fastest way. Because I like to use my brushes. Like lately I've been using my brushes, so this time I'm not going to. Probably.
I only use my blender for foundation, but
it's gonna be interesting. Yes, it will be. Oh my gosh. Okay, so are you ready?
no.
No. Alrighty, let's go. Is it done? Okay. Oh shit! This is new again. Oh no, my primer is not working. It's a new primer, so it's like really oily.
Oh, you didn't shake it out first?
No! It's just such an asshole. Are you laughing inside? Like, I can get really competitive. Do you get competitive?
Mm-hmm.
Do you get really competitive with Alex?
Oh, we can't play games together. No. Like, we can't play, like, you know the iPhone game? That you can play with, like, people that you're texting?
Yeah.
Yeah, since he's been video gaming, and I only play Sims or Animal Crossing, he annihilates me.
Oh,
every
really?
single time. I don't stand a chance.
You don't?
No, I don't. He gets me in like 2 or 3 tries, and then he's like, haha, I win.
Well, I get competitive with John. Like, I try not to be competitive, but, you know, during my life, I think I am competitive really bad. And mostly with John. But then he doesn't like it. Like, if he sees I'm getting competitive, or even a hint of getting competitive, he backs out. Probably gonna get really weird. Oh my god, you're ready! Okay, faster!
When you make it to the forehead. It's like crossing the finish line.
This is really good though. How much time do we got?
We have 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
No. Why did I take so much time on my foundation? Okay.
This is not gonna blend.
At this point, I'm not being precise. I think I'm gonna leave my eyebrows.
Oh, I didn't even take out my eyebrow thing. I was like, this is gonna take the entire 5 minutes for one brow to make them even. All right.
Okay. I thought I could do this. I'm trying to channel going late to work, but this is not working. I wanted to set my concealer, but I wasn't sure.
Are you setting it?
I don't know when everyone.
We have 2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Oh shit! I can do this. I can do this.
See, this is like when your friends tell you that you need to be ready and out the door by 8 o'clock, and then you wake up from your nap at 8:05. This is what this is.
Do you know that happened to me the other day?
This is the story of my life.
So I was going to go to work, right? But I was supposed to be there by 8:30. And I went to sleep. Like, I woke up at 5 just to go to the bathroom, you know? But then it was 5:15 and it wasn't waking up. John was the one who woke me up. He's like, babe, aren't you going to work today? Like, what time are you going to work? And I said, 8:30. It was 8:15. I know, I just threw it away.
Yeah, no, the other day, I leave
8:15.
for work at 7:30 every morning. I'm in my driveway, pulling out, not hitting kids. And I woke up at 7:28, and I was like, okay, well, messy bun and closing my office door is the day.
Not even, okay. Man, I thought I had my, like,
1:17.
no, I don't know, no way. I think I had a plan in my head. It's not going anywhere. Like, it's not working out. And mascara.
Oh, I didn't grab a mirror.
If I had highlight, I feel like I'm gonna be done. Because I look dead right now. Yeah, 5 minutes is going away so fast.
This is more stressful than applying to colleges or thinking about taking out student loans. Whoa, tell me how I'm on the highlight. And I still didn't pull out a mirror.
Do you want to see my highlight? No. As much by mascara. I smudged my mascara all over. It wasn't dry enough. Oh, sorry, I'm throwing things at the table.
We have 18 minutes!
Oh, seconds?
Seconds! Gloss.
I forgot about lipstick. I think I'm not going to do lipstick.
I can't do this right now.
Did you see what I did?
Isn't that the contour? Oh man!
Oh, this is not going to work. Okay. How do I look?
Holy moly, girl! What?
You look so good.
Girl, I look like glitter just threw up on me.
No! I don't even have coverage at all in my face. It's all mascara.
I forgot about mascara.
Mascara. But you have long lashes, so you don't need. I decided to put like contour on my lips because I forgot lipstick.
New lipstick.
Lipstick. It doesn't look that bad. I look like neutral, like dead, but it doesn't look bad.
Dead. I think dead would be if it was like gray.
Dead doesn't look bad.
That is the new black.
You know, I forgot I was gonna put glitter on it. Okay. Now I look better, I guess. Okay. So, did you guys like it? I hope you did. And if you had some fun, just put some anything in the comment section below.
What challenge should we do next?
Oh, I did think about that. Let's see. We can do a blind thing. Like,
Blind. Oh, I saw that.
that'll be so awesome.
One of us doing the other one's makeup while blind, or
No, like each other. Like doing it like
how are we supposed to do our eye makeup?
don't do it at all.
I
That'll be
mean,
fun.
I can just take my contacts out and I'll be blind.
Probably. No, I don't know if we can do blindfold, but maybe like put all the things in order and do our makeup without looking. Oh, I know how we can do it without looking at the mirror.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice. So I think that we're gonna do that next. So if you guys want to see other challenges, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you guys for hanging on with us and for hanging with Gabby, letting Gabby be here and have fun with me. I will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, also, don't forget, there's a giveaway on my channel, so I'm gonna link that video down below, and that video will have the giveaway link. Okay?
I'm gonna enter you guys.
All right. So see you soon. Bye bye.